So I'm going to keep going even though, oh, fiddlesticks, I'm not even in the right one. Oh, yeah, I am. Holy moly. It's the reason why I probably shouldn't be making it at this point, but that's okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we were looking at this problem right here. How is the process of dividing 2/3 the same as dividing 3/4? And how is it different? We're looking at the process, how we did it. So that's what we're going to do right now is we're going to write how we did it. How it's the same, how it's different. So I'm going to come back over here looking at this guy right here and this feller down here. Oh, let me put my over the top that says it goes on forever. What was the first thing that we did in both of these problems? What was the first thing that we did in both of those problems? So the first thing that we did is that we cut each whole into 10 pieces. So that was something that was similar. Dividing 2/3 and 3/4 are similar by, oh, I didn't want to use the word dividing. Once we cut them into the line into 10 pieces, we then began to put them into groups. But it was different groups because we had different divisors. So on 2-3, we had a divisor of 4, whereas on 2-4, we had a divisor of 3, which is the same as my denominator. So when we divided, they're different. And where I can see that in the diagram is the fact that I used Alpha Bravo Charlie up here. I have my 4 groups. And down here, I only have my 3 groups, my Alpha Bravo Charlie. So because I had delta up here and not down here, that's my different divisors. And I also see that right here and right here. And my denominators also, oh, that's off the screen. So those are the places where I could see that. Something else that was similar was that we counted how many were in each group. So we counted how many pieces were in each group. That was similar. Of course, the size of the group was different. The number of pieces were different. But we ended up where we had 2 left over here and none left over here. But down here we had 2 left over, 2 left over, 2 left over, etc. So another way that they were different, which is really, really important, is also 2/3 always had leftovers, but 3/4 ended with no leftovers. We ended with a 0 at the end. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry this one is in 2 parts. I'm hoping I can find the first part. Maybe I can splice them together. I'm not sure. But I do want to say that you have this problem right here. This problem was assigned as homework on Monday and Tuesday. These three problems were assigned as Monday and Tuesday's homework. I assigned these problems here as Wednesday's homework. Okay. And then on Thursday, we started 2.1.2. That's going to be a different video. And all of the homework problems here was assigned to you on Thursday. This notebook will be due next week when we return from break, so please be prepared and plan your time accordingly. Look at the calendar in the Google Classroom to help.